going on, guys? Got a no cooling code in our model, and as you can see, it's all froze up outside here. So I'm going to pull the disconnect. Alright, so take a walk inside, see what's going on here. Okay, we're set 70, 74 in here. The fan's set to on. No fan. Alright, I'm going to pull the thermostat off here. We're going to jump out the red and the green here to see if the fan kicks on. No fan. Alright, get the cover off here and see what's going on. Okay, we got the cover off now, and we're going to check the cap. Okay. Got the meter already set to microfarads. And we're looking for 7.5. And we're getting 5.9. So it looks like we got a bad cap. Okay, got our new cap. It's a Garrison. Not crazy about this brand, but it's what I have. Alright, so we'll test this one out. Looking for 7.5. Alright, we got 7.4, so that's a good cap. Always test out your new caps, never know. Okay. Okay, we'll put the disconnect back in. And see if it fires up. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.